What if your sunglasses could guide you through Delhi traffic, translate a Hindi conversation into English in real time, or show WhatsApp messages without ever pulling out your phone? That's not sci-fi anymore. Meta brand new Ray-Ban display glasses are here on Tech Vardhan. We are breaking down every little detail from feature to flaws, so you know exactly if this 70,000 gadget is worth it. Welcome back to Tech Vardhan, your stop for the coolest tech explained in simple. Smart glasses have always been hyped. Google tried, Snap tried, but Meta might finally be close to cracking it. Let's see if these Ray-Ban display glasses live up to the hype. So what are they? They look like normal Ray-Ban Wayfarer sunglasses, but inside the right lens, you've got a tin display. It shows notifications, maps, translations, even let you preview photos. Along with it comes the neural band, a wristband that reads signal from your muscles, so you can control the display with just subtle hand gestures. The lenses are transitions, which means they change tint automatically between indoor and bright Indian sunlight. Specs sound fancy, but let's break it in simple words. The display is 600 x 600 resolution, 90Hz refresh rate, and insanely bright, up to 5000 nits. That's enough to stay visible even at noon in a Bhopal or Chennai sun. Battery around 6 hours of mixed use, but with the charging case total goes to nearby 30 hours, so you can use it through a day of college, office, or even a wedding shoot. Weight 69 grams, that's about the same as the wearing slightly heavy sunglasses. Not a bulky VR handset, even has IPX7 water resistance, good enough for monsoon days. Messaging, you are in crowded Mumbai local train and you can quickly read WhatsApp without pulling your phone out. Languages, talking to someone in Tamil, Punjabi, or even Hindi, you can see real-time translation and captions. Photos and videos, point, frame, and capture right from your glasses. Then check the preview on the lens, music control, quick notification, or even watching shorts clip while sitting in the class break or at the cafe. But दोस्तों, it's not all perfect. Display is only in the right lens. If your dominant eye is left, you may feel it's awkward. Battery will drain faster if you heavy stuff like video calling or maps. Price at $79, around 70,000 in INR. With import duties, it's not cheap.
What do I do first?
You've already combined the base ingredients, so now grate a pear to add to the sauce.
You'll need some days to get comfortable with gesture, and the biggest privacy concern is, like all smart glasses, people around you may not love the idea of hidden camera. अगर मैं अपने शब्दों में बताऊं तो द मेटा Ray-Ban display is the best attempt at the smart glasses. Not perfect, but for the first time it's feel actually practical. If you have the budget and curiosity, go for it. For most people, though, maybe wait a year till the price and ecosystem mature. So what would you use smart glasses for? Navigations, quick instant replies, or maybe translating conversation at your chat tapri? Comment below. I love reading your thoughts. This is Tech Vardhan. If you enjoy this breakdown, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell so you don't miss more desi friendly tech reviews. Shukriya for watching. Stay curious, stay smart.